Welcome to SME Hype, your #1 spot for entrepreneurs. My name is Lucia. If this is your first time in our channel, you are welcome. Our video will provide you with the right information to help you grow your business and create wealth. If you're new and have not subscribed, why not? Hit the subscribe button, and you can always change your mind. Now let's discuss 7 ways to challenge your customers to take action. Some salespeople look for an exit after a prospect says no to an initial closing attempt. Others take a bad response personally and work to have it reversed. In other words, they transform from helpful salespeople to adamant opponents, increasing prospects' resistance. Develop a superior strategy by accepting the early no as a challenge and taking steps to reestablish rapport with the prospect to get the sale back on track may be preferable. After declining a request to complete the deal, prospects may feel uneasy. They may wish for the sale to end and for the salesperson to go. It is the responsibility of salespeople to reassure prospects that an early no does not signify the end of the sales process. Reestablish a relationship after hearing the initial no. The first step is to reestablish rapport. Short words that let the prospect know it's okay if he or she doesn't answer yes right now are an excellent option. It enables a salesperson to purchase additional time in order to reintroduce the prospect into the sales process. The prospect may unwind and allow the salesperson to move on to the next phase of assessing their requirements and discovering what might have been overlooked the first time around. Learning to maintain a professional demeanor during the awkward interval after a buyer says no may aid in reestablishing rapport. Salespeople who grow tense or show their displeasure and irritation by their facial expressions may have difficulty getting the transaction back on course. When you don't know what to do, it's like attempting to wrap your arms around a ghost when you don't know what's holding the prospect back. Nothing tangible is available for you to grasp. The one certainty is that following that initial no, the dynamic of your interaction with the prospect shifts. Here are the 7 ways to challenge your customers to take action. Number 1, listen closely to uncover all of the issues and questions that are preventing prospects from saying yes. They've listened to your presentation and are now responding with a mini presentation. Give them the opportunity to speak their minds. They may feel better about expressing themselves openly, especially if they believe you are listening. You'll discover more about what's keeping them from acting right away. Number 2, reiterate their worries and inquiries before responding. Prospects aren't always clear on what they want. They can hear their own words when they restate. When prospects hear what's holding them back, they may be able to address their own problems. Number 3, come to an agreement. When you agree with the prospect on one or more of his or her objections, you create an environment in which you can identify areas that are preventing the transaction from moving further. During this stage of the sales process, every topic you bring up may push the prospect closer to saying yes. Number 4, confirm that all of the prospect's issues have been addressed. It's your responsibility to urge potential customers to act right away. So before you start giving replies, gather as many worries as you can. This isn't a questioning session. You are the consultant for the prospect, and you want to assist him or her in making an informed selection. Number 5, ask the prospect to take action right away. Some prospects make swift and cool decisions. Others are having difficulty with the procedure. Always ask the prospect to take quick action after you've addressed their issues and concerns. Be prepared to offer more words of encouragement if necessary. What do you do if you've addressed all of the issues and inquiries, and you've urged the prospect to make a decision, but he or she is still silent? Address the prospect's concerns if they don't agree with the answer you've presented. Number 6, always be prepared to offer more words of encouragement. What do you do after you've answered all of the issues and inquiries, and you've urged the prospect to make a decision, but he or she is still silent? Address the prospect's concerns if he or she disagrees with the answer you've presented. And number 7, Complete the transaction today, not in a week or a month's time. What do you need to do today to complete the sale? You've invested time and effort into meeting with the prospect. You've asked all the right questions and made all the right statements to help the prospect make an informed decision. Put as much thought into your closing statements/questions as you did into the rest of your presentation, and you'll get more yes answers. Final thoughts. Converting a new customer is an exciting prospect, but making them take action is the real strategy. Many organizations, on the other hand, make the error of disregarding their existing clients and focusing their marketing efforts on recruitment rather than customer retention. It is important to make both new and old customers stick to your brand and constantly take action to buy your products. We hope you have learned something new today from this video. Please feel free to like our video as it helps YouTube show it to other people who might be interested in this topic. You can also share and leave a comment. Until next time, I am Lucia. Cheers and stay blessed.
It's about the journey, not the destination. Reality.